This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Ramez Tabri. Beautifully updated home with a phenomenal floor plan including separate living room, dining room, and huge family next to the kitchen. Large master suite overlooking the spacious backyard. Extraordinary refinished hardwood floors, new dishwasher, new curtains throughout, and more awaiting a new tenant to move in. Wonderful Foster City location, convenient and close to shopping, restaurants, top-rated schools, and parks. For more information, review the details below.